Xerox AltaLink B8100 series multifunction printer, replacing the DADF, nudger, feed, and retard rolls. Switch off the electricity to the machine and disconnect the power lead. Open the top cover. Then open the feed chute by releasing the latch. Release the catch. Rotate the housing and remove it. Remove the nudger roll and feed rolls. When replacing the rolls, make sure that the bearing is installed to the inboard side or goes on the shaft first. Replace the housing, then close the upper chute. Open the retard roll cover. Remove the retard roll. When replacing the retard roll, observe the shaft. The solid end of the shaft goes towards the inboard side of the document feeder.